In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text layer in Adobe Premiere Pro and create engaging text animations to enhance your video projects. First, we'll start by adding a text layer to your video timeline. Go to Graphics, navigate to New Layer, and select Text. Alternatively, you can use the Type tool, which you can activate by pressing the T key. This approach allows you to create a new text graphic directly in your timeline, giving you the perfect canvas to begin styling and animating your text. Once you have your text layer, you'll want to adjust its style to match your video's theme. To do this, you can turn to the Essential Graphics panel or the Properties panel, where you'll have the flexibility to experiment with different fonts, sizes, colors, and positions. This step is really about personalizing your text, so take your time to find the style that best complements your project. Remember, the goal is to make sure your text is both visually appealing and readable. Next comes the creative part, animating your text. To get started, you'll need to set keyframes for the text properties you wish to animate, such as opacity or position. To do this, locate the property you're interested in and click on the stopwatch icon next to it. This will create your first keyframe. Then, move your playhead forward to the point in time where you want the animation to end or change. At this point, adjust the property values. For example, shifting opacity from 0% to 100% if you're aiming for a fade-in effect, or moving position from off-screen to on-screen for a sliding motion. As you do this, Premiere will automatically create a second keyframe, so your text animates smoothly between these two states. But we're not stopping there. To really make your animation pop and appear more natural, we'll refine it. Right-click on your keyframes and select Ease In or Ease Out. This smoothing technique ensures that your animations have a natural acceleration at the start and deceleration at the end, making movements feel less mechanical. Plus, it can add a professional touch to your project. Additionally, take a moment to adjust the timing by moving keyframes closer together for faster animations or further apart for a more leisurely pace. This control over timing helps you convey the right emotion and pacing for your video. For those looking to add even more flair, consider incorporating motion blur or special effects like the transform effect. These enhancements can create dynamic movement and add a layer of depth to your text animations, elevating the overall quality of your work. By following these steps, you've learned how to add and animate text in Adobe Premiere Pro, opening up a world of creative possibilities for your videos. Whether you're creating a title sequence or adding informative text, these skills offer a foundation to craft engaging and visually stunning content.